And now the table has the weight of this. I still want to keep a hold on it, but I want to show you how to get it up on the table. The less work on our backs, the better. So we want to let the table take as much weight as possible. So when we lift this up, we're going to use the corner of this table and we're going to pivot, letting the table, and then we're going to slide, letting the table take as much weight as possible. Make sense? You'll see what I mean.
Possibly going to make a fingers on the chalkboard kind of sound.
Yeah. We're going to lift again. Would you put eyes on our suction cups?
Sure thing. All out of the red.
Are we good? Okay.
Good to me.
Chad, 1, 2, 3. So as little work on our backs as possible, let the weight pivot on this. It didn't make the finger on the chalkboard sound because it has that mesh backing. So it's taking that.
That's true.
It's taking that sound away. So that's how we're sliding.